Hello beautiful people, this is a video for my third hair elixir and this one is using the kalonji or the nigella seeds and the methi or the fenugreek seeds and a couple of oils. So the benefits of methi, it helps in fresh growth or regrowth of hair, and it also promotes healthy scalp and gives a great luster to your hair. It's just a magical seed. The nigella or the kalonji, which is used to flavor a lot of food and your chutneys and pickles and also a lot of your dals, and in Bengal the fish curries. This is a magical seed, and as the oil steeps, you will see it imparting its color into the oil. It's great for coverage of gray naturally and also for overall health of your scalp and hair. The two oils that we are using, one is coconut oil, which is a great carrier oil to absorb all nutrients. This is cold pressed coconut oil from Conscious Foods. You can use Pure and Sure, you can use any good coconut oil. This is castor oil, and this is from Pure and Sure, again cold pressed, organic. This is a mixer jar where we are going to use this to powder both these seeds. Now we are going to take 2 tablespoons of the nigella seeds or the kalonji seeds and 2 tablespoons of the methi or the fenugreek seeds. You're going to need 200 ml of coconut oil and 50 ml of castor oil. Being a really viscous and thick oil, you can't use too much of this, otherwise it will just cling to your hair strands and be really difficult to rinse off. Now I'm going to be mixing these in the jars and making a powder out of it, completely dry. So make sure your mixer jar is completely dry. Do not do it together because the size of the grains are different, so they will powder differently. So first powder this and pour it back into this, and then powder that and pour it back into that. So now I have powdered both the methi as the fenugreek seeds, and you can see it's a slightly grainy but fairly fine powder. And this one is the kalonji or the nigella seeds. Now we are going to mix these in the oils, and I will show you how it goes forward. Alright, so I showed you the 2 powders. So what I have done is I've put it in this jar, both the powders, and I gave it a good shake. Then I've added the 200 ml of the coconut oil and the castor oil in the same jar. I'm using a clean, dry glass jar, and it's important that there's no moisture in this jar, otherwise the shelf life of your oil is going to go down. So this is a recipe that I have taken from Shushmita's Diaries. She has a YouTube channel and speaks of wonderful things for hair care and skin care. So this is a really good elixir for covering grey and for regrowth of hair. So the next step is I'm boiling around a couple of cups of water and in this vessel. And I'm not going to bring it to complete boil. It's just going to be hot. After which I'm going to put the gas off and then put the bottle and make it stand in here. So make sure the water is not boiling, otherwise your jar may crack. The water is now got quite warm, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand this jar in it and I'm going to let the water become room temperature. This will take around 10 minutes. And what this will do is gently, on a very low warmth from the water, it will seep into the oil and the seeds that we have powdered and put, and it's going to steep and release its goodness. So we're going to leave this for 10 minutes till the water becomes room temperature, and then we will come back to it. So this is your bottle of oil, and it has now sat in that hot water for around 10 minutes, and the water has become room temperature, and all the goodness of that slow heat has gone into the oil. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the sun. So we're going to leave this in the sun for minimum 5 days. I'm going to leave it for 10. And it's going to just slowly warm, and at night when it gets dark and there's dew falling, I'm going to bring it in and again put it out next morning. There are bits of graininess in this oil. There are bits of graininess, as you can see, and that's okay. When you want to use it, you can either strain it and put it in a bowl and apply and leave it overnight, or for at least 4 hours. I'm going to leave the grainy bits and massage that onto my scalp. It'll act like a natural scalp scrub, an exfoliator. So here it's going to sit for 10 days, and after 10 days I'm going to show you the color of the oil. and you can then store it away, and it will last for up to a year if you store it in a warm, cool, sorry, not warm, a cool, dark place, yeah, and it will stay really good. So this oil has now been sunning for 10 days, and as you can see, the oil is a nice dark color, and it has slowly seeped in all the nutrients over the last 10 days, and it is ready to use. So just pour out a little bit in whichever bowl that you're going to use, and just apply it on both the scalp and the hair length. Massage it in well. It's best to leave this overnight, but if you don't like to sleep with oil on your hair, I normally keep it for 4 to 5 hours, and that does its magic. And then follow your regular shampooing and conditioning routine. So this oil is perfect for hair growth, for coverage of grey naturally, and for shiny locks. So all the best in working your way to a really beautiful mane.